Hello guys, Mehul here, back on with another new video, and now at last this product is a reality. Like what I am talking about today, I'm talking about such a unique website. Okay, that provides all of the like what they gathered all of the great promo videos. Like we see apps like Google, Facebook, and all, and like big guns like not guns, big dogs like Curated, who feature Rahul Dravid in their video. So we see a lot of promo videos those days. Like Google videos are too good, as well as Facebook videos are too. But all of those promo videos are great, right? But there is no particular website or a web app for collection or curated collection of the promo videos. But now it's reality. There is one, and they have the best in class promo video curated in their website. How great is that? Let me show you that website. Okay, and then you will see. So this is the website, that is Promos. A cool funky name. Okay, and they have all of the promo videos listed, not all of them, but most popular of them listed in their curation list. And why I am so excited about promo videos, because making promo video are literally a piece of art. There are too many concepts, like too many skills that you require to make a great promo video. If it's an animation, you have to be a good animator. If it's a like film type video, real world film type video, you have to be a good, like a lots of things, director, cinematographer, writer, blah blah blah. And other than that, there is also that thing that you are marketing something, so there is the whole concept and psychology of marketing also involved in this marketing, copywriting, the hook lines. So you can understand, like I'm talking like a fanboy right now, but yeah, promo videos are literally great piece of content that a company makes whenever the launches, or when for their product actually. So here are some of the great product promos. That is, uh, they have included Amplitude, Miro, Google. Obviously Google is a great platform, that like Google make great promo videos, why not? Discord, with like Discord is my favorite ones. Like Discord make videos that are casual, funny, and engaging. Great, they make great. Like Discord, I personally like Discord's content a lot. I personally like their like style of the content. So obviously, and rather than that, there are other too many, like there are many more other videos, promo videos, that are literally great. And if you see this promo video, you will learn a lot about everything: filmmaking, animating, and obviously product marketing, how to place a product to someone, to like let their attention be grabbed or something like that. Okay, so please check out this website. I don't know how many of you will like this. Literally don't know, but this is something specifically for marketers or marketing people. So please check this out. And that's about is it for this video and for this website. If you like my contents, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribing helps a lot. And if you know some of the cool apps, cool resources, or cool great web apps, please let me know about them also in the not description, in the comments. So bye.